This probably looks like a scene or a puzzle from a science fiction movie. The month where 11 days vanished. When you open your iPhone calendar and go to the year 1582 and the month October, you would see something very different. After October 4th, the date that comes is directly October 15th. And now we solve this mystery. This is very interesting. Actually, earlier we used to follow Julian calendar from the time of Julius Caesar. It had a small flaw that it was 11 minutes longer than the normal solar year according to the Gregorian calendar. Though 11 minutes does not sound that much, but over centuries it added up. By the year 1500s, the calendar was about 10 days out of sync with the actual seasons. That meant religious holidays like Easter's were drifting away from their intended season. Then came Pope Gregory the 13th. In 1582, he decided to correct the error. So, when the new calendar that started was a Gregorian calendar, which we follow till now, Thursday, October 4th, 1582, was immediately followed by Friday, October 15th, 1582. 10 days just vanished from history. See, your iPhone uses a proleptic Gregorian calendar, a single continuous version of Gregorian system applied backward and forward in the time. To stay historically correct, Apple kept those missing days visible so your phone shows 4th October and then directly 15th October, skipping 10 days. Different countries adopted the Gregorian calendar at different times. Italy, Spain, and Portugal adopted it in 1582, while Britain and its colonies, including India and America, adopted the same calendar in the year 1752. That's why you may see this jump in 1852 or the year 1752, depending on the region your phone's calendar uses. Russia was the only country that did not switch until 1918. And this was the first time in the history when man deleted time in order to be on time.